here's a huff a puff and a expect chillings, red spilling and flesh ripping. Impressive in it, the death bringing his head spinning. Just kidding, every word in his song's about two grown men dressed up as a bird and a dog.
Sometimes I just enviably look at someone who just shakes their head, like, you know, when you see them going for a walk and they've got a bit of length on their head.
Every day. That's what I like about you.
Until I open my mouth, my teeth are getting so bad.
Your teeth? What's wrong with your teeth? By the way, just so you know, guys, Tom's eating a cookie. He made the maverick decision to start eating as we started recording. Literally picked a cookie out of a jar as we started.
Right. Yeah, 7:20, this is my breakfast. Yeah. No, my teeth are at the bottom. I'm getting more and more cafe.
I thought you were getting some Invisalign or something.
Invisalign? Yeah, I need to get on that fucking flex. Massive. Have you had it done?
I'm doing Invisalign at the moment, yeah.
How are you finding it, boy?
Because I've got this like little tooth down here that's like really crooked. I've got Kick that man in the cock and then put it into a headlock and bring it to the ground or something like that.
Yeah, exactly.